Messenger for Business. The potential for advertisement does not stop at the creation of your Facebook page, or even with a Facebook ad. While Facebook Messenger may just seem like another app with the sole purpose of instant messaging friends, it serves a greater purpose in spreading the name of your company or brand. Did you know that a total of 2 billion messages are shared between businesses and people every day? These include both personally written messages and automated messages. In today's world, more people are finding it convenient to message shop owners and service providers directly rather than having to call them or email them. The benefits of using Messenger. Using Facebook Messenger as a means of advertisement is a way to push potential customers directly, without all the hustle and bustle of reeling them in with a traditional advertisement. In short, Messenger allows you to cut out the middleman. According to Facebook analysts, Messenger allows you to be responsive and reply immediately to customer questions, share accurate product information, make the checkout process easier for both parties, offer support to customers directly, send reminders about events and other announcements, and provide exclusive codes, links, and other plugins. You can even turn on Messenger right from your Facebook page if you are not comfortable using your phone or personal name. Creating a Facebook Messenger ad. For the most part, the process involved in making an advertisement for Facebook Messenger is more or less the same as making a general Facebook ad, with some slight differences that we will get to in just a moment. First, go to www.facebook.com/ads/create. If you have not made a Facebook ad before, then take a quick refresher of the general process. Objectives. The first step to making any advertisement, Facebook or not, is to come up with a general objective. What is it that you are trying to do with your ad? Luckily, the program comes with a set of preloaded objectives for you to choose and work from. Some of these include brand awareness, reaching out to those most likely to be naturally interested in your Facebook page, reach, getting your ad seen by as many people as possible, traffic, getting people to visit a site either on or off Facebook, and engagement, getting more people involved in your brand. If you do not have a Facebook ads account, then you will have another chance to go ahead and set one up real quick. Once the objective has been laid out, you may go ahead and choose the settings for your advertisement. Settings and audiences. The next step in creating a successful advertisement is choosing the right audience. You can send the ad to everyone in the world, so where you do send it makes all the difference. You can find your target audience through a number of filters, such as age range, location, specific or general, gender, languages, and keywords, i.e. athletes. If you are running an entire ad campaign, you can go ahead and save the target audience you have created, or load a previously saved audience if you have made a Facebook ad in the past. You can then choose from specific or automated placements, as well as the daily budget that you are willing to spend per day on running ads and the schedule for when the ad will be run. The ad itself. This is where Messenger apps tend to deviate from general Facebook ads. As most people use Facebook Messenger on their phone, there is more of a variety to how the ad itself can actually look. For example, when making a Messenger advertisement, you are given the option to create a carousel ad, which features 2 or more pictures that a viewer can scroll through. This can be a great tool for those looking to show off specific sales, upcoming events, or just general photographs of a brand or company. If you choose not to use this feature, then you can still choose to use a single image or video, or a slideshow of images for your Messenger advertisement. Once you have chosen the layout of the ad, you can quickly set up the meat of the ad, including whether the ad is full screen or not, the text associated with the ad's headline, the ad's description, any accompanying URLs, the image or video associated with the ad. What may be most profitable about making an advertisement specifically for Messenger is the ability to change how the ad is presented based on the interface the viewer is using. This way, you can make an ad more mobile-friendly while still showing it off on a desktop or tablet. Once this is all squared away, you can go ahead and review your order and set up the advertisement. More help in making Messenger ads. Many sellers and brand makers are unaware of the potential that Messenger provides in the business community. Due to this, there have been a number of analysts who have looked at a number of ways to optimize your Messenger ad campaign. Here are a few of them. Look into developing sponsored messages. Sponsored messages are a great way to reward customers who have already shown an interest in your brand. They allow you to send even more accurate, targeted messages at certain customers, as well as provide more information for promotions and better timed reminders on sales and other events. Let customers know of new products or updates. When you let a customer know about an update, as opposed to simply allowing them to find out on their own, it will let them know that you are always improving as a brand and interested in them on an individual level. Persist in direct contact. For many customers, they need to have 3 or 4 conversations with the seller before buying a product or becoming more involved with the brand.